Once you're inside the layout tab, you can obviously change the site width, your catalog settings, image settings, menu settings. We're going to look at the product page in this instance. So we've got 5 different styles that we can apply to our product page, and we have some additional product page settings here. You've got the recommended product view, which is flexible. You can then move forward and change it to whatever obviously suits your best needs. But let's leave it here for flexible to begin with. We've got recommended products on the product page. We have 0 currently. Send email to a friend as. You can leave this as an HTML, or you can set it as a text email as well, or a feature. Just completely disable the feature altogether. In this instance, we'll leave it as HTML. And then you've got a page bottom view, and we'll leave that at flat, or you can put it at tabs, and we'll show you that in a second. So currently, let's go back and let's look at an actual product page inside our cart designer. So we're inside the cart designer, and it's noted by these highlighted divs. These red lines are highlighting the tables or divs that our content is in. So if those pop up, don't worry about those. We'll go to a product page and we'll look. So here's our current product page. We've got the product description. We have not uploaded any secondary images, but were we to, which we will in another video, you'll see 4 thumbnails down here. And when you roll over them or click on them, we can set that to activate them through a click or a rollover. Then the larger image will show up here for the customer. So we've got our price here on the right, social media stuff here on the right, send to a friend or email to a friend, and then we have some attributes that are showing up here on the right as well. In addition to that, we have the description, product reviews, and then products that other people may like. So let's go back to the layout tab, and this is the product page. So currently we're using style 2. Let's change it to style 1 and hit save, and then close that. And then we'll go back to the website, and we'll go click on a product. And so we saved that layout, and what it changed was it got rid of those gray headers, the bars across the top. A little bit cleaner look than the older version. So if we go back to the older version real quick, let's go take a look at this, and we'll go back to the product page, and we'll choose number 2 again. So you'll notice on this page here we've got this gray box that our description, product review, and products you like are in. Currently we have that removed, so it's a little bit cleaner look. Makes the page a little bit less busy, but this is a nice segmentation of content. So if you've got a lot of content in the description, you might want to have this. That might look good for your amount of content that you've got here as well. So let's go take a look at inside the product page, and let's go to style 3, and we'll save that and close it, and then we'll go back to our product page and we'll hit refresh. And now we've got some fundamental changes in the entire layout of the page. So now we've got our product images. And our prices over here on the left. So this is a completely different layout for the consumer. And then here's our attributes on the right. Social media stuff's dead center, which is actually a pretty nice layout from the way that consumers read pages left to right. That puts that stuff right in their gaze immediately. You'll notice that our gray backgrounds are gone here as well, so it maintains that clean look that we saw in style number 1. And then let's go back and change it to style 4. And this includes tabs right there. You can see those there. So let's save that and then close it and come back here and refresh. Now we're going to see a totally different layout where the products you may like are on the right, products here in the center, social media is dead center here, and all of our attributes and whatnot are here. They're not, the gray box is not around those, obviously. And then we got a nice clean product description and the product reviews down here as well. So a little bit different layout. Obviously it includes a right column, so if your website already includes a right column, if you have a 3-column layout, 1, 2, 3, you might want to maintain that on this page so you maintain consistency throughout your entire website and don't change up the user experience too much as they move through your site. Obviously totally up to you, but and see how that works. You can test different things out and see if conversions increase or decrease based on the style of the page. And then here's what style 5 looks like. Let's go ahead and save it and close it, and then come back to our site and hit refresh. And so now we've got this nice little, a border around it. Our gray headers are back here, gray boxes, the backgrounds here. This is a little bit cleaner, shaped it up a little bit. Social media is kind of jumbled in there a little bit. If we had secondary photos, they would be beneath this image as well. We do not have a 3-column website, so we're not going to use that on our product page. We want to put that back to the way that we have it at style 2 for this specific site. But you can see how you can quickly change the layout of your website in an instant and preview it very quickly and see what works best for you and your customers. So hope that was helpful.